Jai Shardema everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing well at your place. Today we are going to read chapter number 3, Reproduction in Animal, from Science part. So without wasting our time, let's start our reading, and I hope you all are trying with me to pronounce properly. All living things produce young ones of their own kind. The process by which a living beings produce young ones of its own kind is called reproduction. Through reproduction, animals continue to exist on the earth. This allows life to go on. Animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones, laying eggs. Animals that give birth to young ones. Some animals give birth to young ones. For example, cats give birth to kittens, dogs give birth to puppies, and animals like cow, lion, horses, elephants, and goats also give birth to young ones of their own kind. The young ones of these animals develop inside their mother's body. Such animals which give birth to young ones directly are called mammals. Human beings are also mammals. Now, features of mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Their body temperature remain constant irrespective of variable climate conditions. Hair or fur on their bodies help them to keep warm. ओ भाई उठ के चलना. Shit. Mammals look after their young ones for a long period of time. They feed them with their milk and protect them from enemies and climate changes. Now, animals that lay eggs. Some animals like birds, fishes, reptiles, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Such animals are called egg-laying animals. The embryo or young one before birth develop inside the egg. Most egg-laying animals ensure that the eggs are kept safe and warm. This allows the embryo inside to develop fully till it hatches out of the egg. Structure of an egg cell. Eggs are usually oval and round in shape and are of different sizes. Most eggs have a hard outer shell. This protects the growing embryo inside it. Within the shell is a white, thick liquid which has a yellow part in the center. The white part is the albumin and the yellow part is called the yolk. The yolk provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Birds. All birds lay eggs. They build nests to lay eggs and raise their young ones. The embryo inside the egg develops into a chick only if the egg is kept warm. So the mother bird sits on her eggs for some days before the eggs begins to hatch. Fish. A fish lays eggs in water. Out of thousands of eggs, only a few hundred develop into teeny baby fish because most eggs are eaten up by bigger fish. Reptiles. Reptiles like snakes, turtles, lizards, and crocodiles lay their eggs on the ground. The eggs get warm from the heat of the sun. The egg cells are not very hard but soft and leathery. Most of these animals don't care for their eggs or babies and leave them to hatch and care for themselves. Most of the eggs are eaten by other animals. Amphibians. Amphibians. Amphibians like frogs lay eggs. They lay their eggs in large clusters called spawn in water at safe places. They take care of their babies only for some time. A frog's eggs hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles initially look like very small fish and have no legs. Gradually, their bodies change. The tails disappear, the legs grow out, and they turn into little frogs. Insects. All insects develop from eggs. Some insects like grasshopper and cockroach pass through three stages in their life cycle. In these cases, the baby which comes out of an egg differ very little from the adult insect. It is called a nymph. The nymph sheds its skin. The process by which insects shed their skin is called molting. After molting several times, a nymph becomes an adult. Other insects like housefly, mosquito, and butterfly pass through four stages in their life cycle: eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. Here, the young ones which hatch out of the egg look quite different from the adult insects. It is called a larva and is worm like. The larva of a housefly is called a maggot, while that of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. The larva feeds and grows rapidly. After some time, it stops feeding and cover itself in a cocoon. This stage is called the pupa. Finally, the pupa bursts out of its cocoons and the adult insects comes out. Reproduction, the process of producing young ones of the own kind. Embryo, an unborn offspring before coming out of its egg or mother. Nymph, young ones of an insect that looks similar to an adult. Molting, shedding of old skin, shell, etc. by an animal. Larva, the young one that is different from the adult insect. Now I know the animals which give birth to young ones directly are called mammals. For example, cow, lion, horse, and elephant. Human beings are also mammals. Birds, snakes, lizards, frogs, fishes, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Some insects like cockroach and grasshopper passes through three stages in their life cycle: egg, nymph, adult. Insects like housefly and butterfly passes through four stages in their life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The eggs of animals have a white thick liquid part, albumin, and a yellow part, yolk in the center. The growing embryo gets food from the yolk. Thank you everyone. Stay healthy, stay happy.